Hey guys, happy Thursday. We got another kit to look at that I picked up at FleaCon. This is MPC's 1/24 scale p51 Mustang. This thing is big. Here's the sides of the box. Here's this side. The box is so big I can't get it in the picture. This thing is so big I don't know where I'm going to put it. Here's our decals. Look like they're in pretty decent shape. A little bit of yellowing. Here's our instruction book. And it's a book. Got a pilot with it. I like that each picture tells you exactly how to paint everything. Here's this page. But yeah, this thing is massive. Here's our tires. Our window canopy. A rear tire. And some other window pieces. Here's one of our wings. The bottom of the wing. Just shows you how big it is. Here's the other section of wings. Here we got bombs, part of our interior, flaps, missiles, the gun barrels, suspension thing for the rear. Those kind of look like cooling parts maybe. Here's our seat. Here's the fuselage, just to show you how big the fuselage is. Some more bombs. The doors for the landing gear. There's just, I'm guessing that's like part of a fuel tank, maybe. Some more of the wings. The propeller. Here's our pilot. The canopy, some more flaps, his arms. Here's the other half of the fuselage. I think this plane would look really good if it was all done like in aluminum. I think it would just pop. There's parts of the engine. Some more bombs. Interior pieces. And then there's a lot of loose stuff in the bottom of the bag. A lot of little parts I'm just not going to go through. It's a cool airplane. Will I ever build it? I don't know. Just because I don't know where the hell I'd put the damn thing. It's going to be so big. Unless I hung it from the ceiling. This might just be one kit that I'll just hang on to. We'll see. I got other things I want to build ahead of it. I'm just blown away at how big the wingspan is. I mean, the wingspan is ginormous for 1/24 scale. And I don't know, if I clear the decals, I could probably save them. Ridge Runner. I don't even know what this kit is dated. Let me look and see what year this kit is from. If it even says it. 1982. But yeah, there we go. Just try and pan out a little bit so you can see. Like just how big the box is. So there we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned a like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.